To find secure folder on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first of all, we need to open our app drawer. Usually you should be able to find it right here. So as you can see, I have my secure folder in the app drawer where I can simply open it. Sometimes you can also find it somewhere on the home screen, so just swipe and carefully look for secure folder app. And lastly, we should be able to also find secure folder in our quick access. That means right here. Now if we open quick access, let's edit the options for it, and then on the bottom select add controls, and then we need to find secure folder in those controls. So we should be able to have it somewhere. Here it is. So it says that it's already added, which means I should be able to find it somewhere. And indeed it is right there. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.